Sirisha. I am studying in IT and ITS level. Now I am going to discuss few words about how to insert a table in HTML. First one, we go to open a fresh notepad. Here I type this data. For the creation of the table in HTML, we have to type table tag and closing table tag. Closing table tag. Generally, a table tag is a parallel of table tag, so you can create a more number of tables just previous tag. As you know that table is a collection of rows and columns, so we have to type here table row tag, closing table row tag. Usually a table row tag is a block level table tag, so every table comes just below the one another. Next, we need to type a table data tag and closing data tag. Closing data tag. Closing data tag. If you want to more number of cells, just copy and paste here. In between these columns, you may create a table. Columns has serial number, name, address, mobile number. Now we are going to list the information. List the information. To do that, we have to type one more table row, opening table row and closing table row. Closing table row. Here also we follow the same process as did in the table tag. Here also we can add table data tag and closing table data tag. You can create 3 more cells for name, address, mobile number. Just copy and paste here. Here we have to type serial number has 1, name, you can give any name. Here I type Sirisha. Address Kachiguda. Mobile number. Here I type this data. Let's go. We add to border to the table. So here the border is an attribute of table tag and it gives border to the table. we need to type here border is equals to inverted commas 5 inverted commas. Here the 5 represents thickness of the table. Finally we go to add close table body close body close. Then close HTML. After complete this procedure, you have to go file and save on desktop, and you have to give a name, file name table.html. Save. After this, you have to go back. Here we have to see that a table icon is formed. Double click on it. An icon is formed. Double click on it. We have to see that a table is formed. In this way we can create a table in HTML. Thank you for giving this opportunity.